Sarah here with Valley City Barnes County Public Library with our craft for today, which is a color your own Dr. Seuss magnet. And I'm going to color the one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. So I'm going to color it, and then I'll show you that product and then show you how to attach the magnet. And again, it is Dr. Seuss Day, so that's why I'm wearing this cat in the hat. It's kind of hard to say, huh? All right. Markers, they should say a little better. And I'm on my last fish. I'm just waiting it to dry it a little. So there's my fish. And then again, always test your magnet. So I'm going to apply it on the, I'm going to apply one side of the command strip to the non-magnetic side. And then I'll peel off the other side of the command strip. And apply it to the back of my picture. And it'll look like that. And then you can hang it on your fridge or any other metal surface. If you would like one of these, please give us a call at 845-3821 and we would love to get you some. And please follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we also have our Instagram. So we only have a few of these, so if you want them, you better call quick. Hope to see you at our next craft and story hour. I'll see you then. Bye.